Hello PSI students. So this is the last 24 hours for you to register for the workshop that is going to start from tomorrow. The 4-day workshop, it will be focusing on each section on each day. That is first day 1A, then 1B, then paper 2A and then paper 2B. And this is not some bland answer writing session. Here it is you who shall be suggesting the introductions, structures, then content part or the conclusion, and we shall be discussing that in the class so that you get a clarity why you should go for a particular structure or a particular introduction and why you should avoid a particular structure or a particular conclusion. Okay? And the thing is that in the workshop, every aspect of the answer writing, whether it is related to the approach to the question, how to start the answer writing, the content portion, if I have less content, if I have more content, how to go for content management, every aspect we shall be discussing in the class along with writing answer, and that too for each segment through PYQs. So those of you who have not registered, please do register so that the Zoom link is sent to you and you can join. And after this workshop, I am pretty much sure that you will have far better clarity and far better confidence related to answer writing, and you won't be needing much of a guidance, but just that you will need to continue with the same practice. And yes, I have seen something. Many of you, those who have registered, those who are in Delhi, you have also gone for online mode. I would advise you to come to the class in offline mode so that you will be in a better position to ask the questions, discuss the doubts and have better clarity. And for others, anyone who has got any concern, please do register. And apart from that, I have seen that many students have different type of doubts. Some have about regarding the approach or how to go for note making, how to start answer writing, the difference between GS answer and PSIR answer. For all those concerned, we are planning for something else, specific Zoom sessions, but that will be after the completion of this workshop so that you have absolute clarity regarding PSIR answer writing before you start your preparation for UPSC 2025. So, hope to see you at the workshop tomorrow. That's all from me.